Abby? But you're not touchy, you're not.
I am! Hi, hello, mabuhay, welcome to my farm. I'm eating apple trees.
Ellie, what's that? A deer.
This is the Philippine brown deer.
Hi, Philippine brown deer. Please. Yeah, it's a Jersey Holstein. Origin from Germany. Mr. Gutom. Malapit yung difference nila sa Wagyu. Malapit yung difference nila sa Wagyu. Same family.
Wait, I cannot see the corresponding.
Okay, very nice. Okay, thank you. Look at mommy.
Ellie! Wait. Yay!
Walang tubig sa inclusion. Pwede silang magkaroon ng tubig.
This turtle is so big. Such a big turtle.
80 to 150 years lifespan. Ilang taon na po siya ngayon?
Is that his house?
Yeah.
Really, he's 50 years old now.
50?
Yeah, he's too old now.
Hi. What's his name?
Oh, look at this, anak! Ellie, come on! The red iguana.
Yeah. I need your friends here. Ribbit. It's an O'Brien famous python. Oh, man. Ooh. Why is it so- You want to?
That's a Macau. Arms up. Yay! Strong, ha? Wow, you're so foggy. Nice one! Oh, the other one also. The other one. Yeah. Yeah.
Great name.
What's that, Ellie? Flamingos. Hoy!
It's alright. It's alright. Don't be scared. Hold your hands.
Oh, go, get the feet.
Ellie! Ellie!
Oh,
Wait up. Ellie!
you have the same name.
Ellie! Ellie!
My name is also Ellie.